Customers are the backbone of your business. And depending on the size and stage of your organization, your ability to take payments quickly and efficiently impacts everything from your stock price to whether you'll keep your doors open next month. The good news is small improvements produce big results. My name is Cindy and I'm from Chargent. If you are a finance, revenue, or IT leader looking to get a hands-on view of how you can optimize every aspect of your payments process, then you're in the right place. If you'd like to learn more about automating and improving payment collections in Salesforce, check out the guide linked in the description below. It's easier than you think to solve common payments challenges that impact your bottom line. See for yourself how simple it is to take payments right in Salesforce with a Chargent free trial. In this free trial, you'll be able to minimize process changes while maximizing your Salesforce investment, seamlessly integrate payments in any workflow across Salesforce no matter which Salesforce product you use, keep, change, or add payment gateways as your business demands, reducing PCI scope, enhancing business continuity, and identifying cost-saving opportunities. Create a single source of truth for customer and payment data, breaking down data silos to easily access and share information across teams. Make better decisions more quickly with a holistic view of customer and financial data. Improve your customer experience and lower churn when you enable robust self-service tools and seamless recurring billing. And solve each of these payments challenges without any custom development. And that's just the beginning. To learn 10 ways you can improve your payment collections with automation, download our guide using the link in the description of this video. Go ahead, download it now. With a Chargent free trial, you'll be able to realize these benefits, leveraging expert guidance along the way to ensure you're getting the most out of your trial. While you could easily go at it alone, you don't have to. Setting up a free trial can be done in less than 10 minutes by your Salesforce admin, with easy-to-follow how-to videos and documentation available on demand. However, the best-in-class Chargent customer success team is also available to walk you through every step of your free trial to ensure that you get the most value out of your test drive. The key to a successful trial is clearly defining goals and requirements, and we're here to help you identify what you'd like to achieve, pain points to overcome, specific use cases, opportunities to improve your current processes, as well as KPIs you'll want to improve. Find out why Chargent's biggest champions are IT and finance professionals. For the IT team, it's fully customizable with no, low, or pro code options, and scalable as the organization grows. Finance professionals are thrilled with a more complete picture of financial health, including an improved cash flow forecast. And both love that Chargent helps reduce their PCI compliance burden. And best of all, once you've previewed the impact on your business, becoming one of the thousands of happy customers is as easy as moving from sandbox to production. In this video, you're going to learn how to set up your Chargent free trial in 10 minutes or less. That's just 10 minutes until you're ready to payment enable any workflow and take payments from anywhere in Salesforce without any custom code. My name is Cindy and I'm from Chargent. If you want to jump right in and get started with a Chargent free trial, then you're in the right place. And if you're really excited about improving your payments process, you should download the checklist linked in the description of this video, where you can learn 10 ways to easily improve payment collections in Salesforce. Before we get started, there are a few prerequisites to take care of. 1. My domain is set up and deployed in your Salesforce org. 2. You have a Salesforce site set up. 3. You have test credentials handy for your payment gateway. 4. You've installed all 3 Chargent packages from our Package Installation Manager. If you need help completing these steps, check out the Chargent Quick Start Guide linked in the description for more information. Based on our experience, we recommend installing Chargent in a Sandbox org first. This is best practice that protects your production org. One other tip for success. Before you begin your 30-day trial, it's important to define what success looks like for your organization. For example, What are your organization's payment use cases? Do you need to take recurring payments for subscriptions or phone payments? Will you send your customers payment request emails or leverage communities? Who needs to see how Chargent works, and what capabilities do they need to see? While you're thinking about these questions, would your organization benefit from improved cash flow? Download our checklist and learn how Chargent can make your payments configurable and automated, saving you time and money. Okay, if you've installed Chargent in your sandbox, there is no need to assign licenses to your users. If you've installed into your production org, you'll need to assign licenses to your users for both Chargent Orders and Chargent Anywhere. To assign licenses, click the gear icon and select Setup. In the Quick Find box, search for Installed Packages. Click Manage Licenses to the left of Chargent Orders and assign the users. Next, repeat those steps for the Chargent Anywhere package. Now that we have licenses enabled, we'll connect Chargent to your payment gateway. The Chargent Setup Wizard does the heavy lifting. All you need to do is click the app launcher, enter Chargent into the Quick Find box, and choose Chargent Settings. Here in Chargent, you'll click on the Chargent Setup Wizard subtab and follow the steps in the wizard to complete your gateway setup. Now that your payment gateway is configured, we'll set up Payment Request, which allows you to send secure payment links directly to your customers. Return to the Chargent Settings tab, click the Chargent Payment Request Setup Wizard subtab, and follow the steps in the wizard to set up and customize Payment Request. Next, let's set up Chargent Anywhere. Chargent Anywhere is a Lightning component that enables you to collect payment from any page inside your Salesforce org. To set it up, just head to the page builder, drag and drop the Chargent Anywhere component onto the page, and quickly configure and click Save. Congratulations! You've set up your Chargent free trial. Let's run a quick test to confirm that everything is ready to go. Create a new record on the object that you configured Chargent Anywhere on. Be sure to populate the billing account, billing contact, and charge amount fields with data. Enter your own email address in the contact record so that you can receive the email and test the payment request feature. Now we'll send a test payment request, which will confirm that your payment requests look the way that you want and that your payment gateway is configured properly. Click the Send Payment Request button in the Chargent Anywhere component, choose your test contact, or manually enter your email address, then click the Send Request button. Check your email for a payment request notification and click the link in that email, which will take you to a secure payment request page. Here, you'll need a test card, which you can find in the Chargent document for your payment gateway. A common test card number that works on almost all gateways is the number 4 followed by 15 ones. Click the Pay button and you should get a success message. Finally, navigate back to your Salesforce org and you'll see new Chargent order and transaction records for the payment we just collected. The payment data is now tokenized and ready for future use.
Did you know that you can install Chargent's free trial in your Salesforce Sandbox? You get full access to Chargent's premium features, like our payment request system. My name is Robert, and I am from Chargent. If you're a Salesforce admin who wants to supercharge your Chargent's free 30-day trial, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into 5 essential tips to make the most out of your Chargent free trial experience. But first things first, if you're ready to experience the power of Chargent for yourself, but have not started your free 30-day trial, head on over to the Salesforce AppExchange to get started. We're about to dive deep into maximizing your Chargent's free trial. Tip number 1, add Chargent Anywhere everywhere. One of Chargent Anywhere's superpower is that it can be placed, well, anywhere, from custom objects to standard objects. Importantly, it integrates very well with our very own Chargent Orders object. This enables users to take payments using our state-of-the-art UIs and access every feature of Chargent. When placing your Chargent orders, you'll enjoy the added benefit of Payment Summary feature, which provides an at-glance transaction overview. Tip number 2, test faster with Payment Console. The Payment Console is one of our Chargent's most loved features and makes it easy to create transactions in Salesforce. With a few clicks, you can automatically populate billing information or create a recurring payment schedule. This allows you to accelerate your testing process, and when you're done testing, your users will have access to one of Chargent's most popular features. Before moving into the next tip, just a reminder that all you need to do to get started with your free trial is to visit the Salesforce AppExchange to install it now. I'll leave a link in the description of this video for you. Tip number 3, know your gateway. Chargent supports over 30 different payment gateway integrations. And let's face it, every payment gateway is a bit different. If you already chosen one or more payment gateways, that's great. If not, you'll need to consider some important gateway-specific decisions, such as what payment methods you want to accept or what fraud prevention features are available. If this sounds daunting, don't worry. You can always contact us and we'll help you find the perfect gateway for your needs. Tip number 4, customize carefully. We all know that one of the main reasons you might want to take payments in Salesforce is to create and customize a solution that meets your specific payment process requirements. Using Chargent in Salesforce allows you to develop a payment process unique to your organization. We do, however, recommend that one thinks through all the factors when adding validation rules, required fields, flows, or Apex triggers related to Chargent objects, as this can prevent creations of transaction records in Salesforce. We encourage you to consider testing in a sandbox before rolling out to production. Tip number 5, we're always here to help. Chargent was designed with an ease of use in mind. If you ever have questions or run into roadblocks, we're here to help. Our extensive documentation and knowledge base contains information designed to educate and guide you through your Chargent implementation. We'll leave links to the resources in the description below. If you still can't find your answers, our beloved support team is available to help with any questions along the way. And now, check out this next video, where we'll learn how to set up your Chargent free trial in 10 minutes or less. My name is Robert, and I am from Chargent, where we're dedicated to helping you make Salesforce payments simple. And remember, we're always here to help.